Okay. Massaging testicles also important?
Right.
Okay.
Because the testicle, so the testicle in the Tao, we said you transform the sexual energy. So we said the hand is very delicate. The hand, when you rub and you ask for the power. Right. So the power like fire. And the testicle like material. So you put material and fire together, it transforms the energy to be energy. So the Tao said, because when man excess ejaculation, he have to borrow energy from the kidney. Because that is the key, is that to have baby is the first priority. And the body give order. When man ejaculation and keep on ejaculation, because the body have a requirement at least 100 million. Okay? If you less than that, you're not going to make a lady pregnant. Because it all die. Because 100 million or 200 million only left one. So if you don't have that number, they all die in the vagina. Right. Nothing left.
Right.
Okay? So that's why the sperm, when you transform them, okay, and you massage them, it's like energy, fire. So you change that energy into energy. And you can bring the energy. In the Tao said, men, when over ejaculation, they drain the kidney. And when the kidney drain out, it drain the brain. So the body, they don't know. If you want to have sex, you want to have baby or not baby, I don't know. You want to have sex, we're going to prepare the best energy to have baby. And they don't know that you're going to just fooling around and you don't want anything. They just prepare to have it. And when they don't have enough, they borrow. And that's the rule.
Right.
That's the rule.
And how often do you massage the testicles, and how do you do it?
They can do every day.
Every day as well?
Because it transforms energy.
Okay.
It's the same thing like lady, the breast. Because lady every month going to get, have menstruation. When the egg mature, the body prepared to make milk. So a lot of nutrition, blood come and store in the breast. And prepare to make milk. The hormone and everything all come here to prepare to make milk. But when there are no fertilized egg, now the energy is stuck here, they know it to get out. So they stay there and stay there 1 month, 5 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Now a lot of energy is stuck there. So the Tao said this is very amazing energy stuck there. It's nutrition energy. So if they rub the hand warm and cover and feel warm and smiling sunshine and massage. When they massage, this chi, or we call energy, in the hand, they can train. It will transform the energy in the breast, and they can use this energy to feed themselves. So the Tao said, if you have the milk, the breast, when you have baby, you want to feed the baby. But when you don't want to have baby, they still make energy. You can convert them to feed yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can bring them to any organ that you want. Okay.